In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate on mobile. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. The first thing we need to do is open your browser and search here roblox.com. It doesn't matter which browser you are using, just open roblox.com and log in here with your Roblox account. Once you log in here, tap on create from the top right corner. Once you tap on it, it will open a new website. And here we need to scroll down and we'll find an option of experiences. As you can see, we need to tap on it. After that, click on manage experiences. On the next page, we need to tap on these three lines from the top left corner. Once you tap on it, scroll down here and you will find monetization tab. And under monetization, you will see an option of passes. Tap on it. After that, you will see an option of create a pass. Tap on it. After that, you can name your pass. You can change the logo of your pass as well. So I just want to name it LearnLite, and also you can add a description showing that why people should get your pass. And then we need to tap on create pass, and once we create our pass, we can see our pass here. So just select your pass, because many people can't find the option of sales because they did a mistake by not selecting their pass. So firstly we need to select our pass, and once you select it, tap on the three lines from the top left corner, and then we'll be able to see sales option. Click on it. After that, we'll be able to set a price for our Robux. We need to enable our item for sale because we want to sell it. After that, you can set the price for your Robux. I just want to set it 1000, and then you will get the earnings of 70% if someone buys your item. And then we just need to save our changes by tapping on save changes. After you save, you can go back to your Roblox game and then go to please donate, and from here you want to find an unclaimed booth. When you found it, simply walk up to it and then press and hold this circle icon that pops up, and now you will see the Game Pass we just created is on the sign right here and people can buy it. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.